right now, yes.
Yes.
I think it's 9.
Why?
Because lately, somebody in the family passed away, and we went there traveling how many hours, then travel again backward here in Batangas, and it seems I cannot manage that anymore, traveling so far. That's it.
Okay, ma'am.
Plus, the Christmas rush is giving. We have to buy so many things for Christmas, for your loved ones to have gifts. Managing stress is very stressful also, because we have to um, uh, take a lot of time for it. So in managing stress, I actually do some time management. Like what I said, I'm having stress every Christmas season, because sinabi ko na nga. And so what I do, time management, I have to jot down some to-do list. What will I do first, second to it, and so on. So I have to make some schedule.
Okay, ma'am.
I think having time management is the best advice I can give, because in time management, you have to sacrifice some things that are not necessary or not that important. You have to do those things that is more important than others.